Get up in there, you turd. Heidi and I start our adventures at the new River Gorge National Park at Badcock Campground.
Babcock State Park is 20 miles north of the new River Gorge Bridge. At this campground, there is 52 campsites, 28 with electric and 24 with non-electric. If you go to the WestVirginiaStatePark.com, you can make reservations online. The campground is just a few miles down the road from Glade Creek Gristmill. It's the main attraction. You have to check it out. This mill was constructed in 1976, and what's cool about it is bits and pieces of it came from several different mills around West Virginia. Also, you can find 3 different waterfalls on this property, which we'll talk about later.
Heidi and I was wanting to do a lot of hiking on this trip, and this location had one of the coolest little trails. Islands in the Sky Trail. We brought along one of our newest members, Trail, and this is going to be his first hike. Hey, get back in there. Get up in there, you little turd.
You can tighten that.
It's alright, he's no fun. This trail was short, but it was packed full of awesome things to look out and a surprise at the top of the hill.
Yeah, he wouldn't.
It's supposed to have like a little tunnel where you have to get up through too. I think Trail could have hiked some of this, but I also think Heidi was wanting to try her cool little backpack. It was definitely easier for Trail, but a little more difficult for Heidi.
I mean, I know this kind of looks ridiculous, but seriously, he is heavier than he looks.
Nice. Rocky's like, get out of my way, I gotta go, girl. Your head. Mountain climber. What do you think, Trail? You having fun, Trail? Ooh, I hit my head. That's kind of sketchy. Let me get a picture. Trail. Rocky? That was attractive. Ooh, almost, Rocky. You didn't make it. Here, let me help you out. You want to try again? Come on. Come on. He almost had it. He got towards the top. Come on, Roddy. Sure. That'd be a little better overlook. It's a place to hang out, I guess.
We get done with the trail and check out the waterfalls. Unfortunately, the water level was low, but there was many more things to do, and we found more waterfalls.
Well, we load up and head to our next adventure, and that's going to be tour of the Fayette Station Road. in other words known as Route 82. This beautiful little road is awesome. It would be great for a dual sport ride. We have our Jeep, and it brings you out to one of the best views of the New River Gorge Bridge.
It's like you go up all the way down to the canyon, all the way down
All the way down to the
bridge.
where when I did the triathlon, where I got out of the water.
Does this take us to the water?
Yeah.
If you're in the area, this is a must do. It's real easy to find right before you make the left to the New River Gorge Information Center. Make a left southbound right before you cross the bridge. As we cross over the New River, this will also give you a beautiful view of the New River Gorge Bridge. Oh, I didn't know the bridge was there.
After trail plays in the water a little bit, we head to find some more waterfalls. To find the West Virginia Waterfall Trail, you go to the West Virginia Tourism page, and there is an app that you can download.
We are at Sandstone Falls on the New River Gorge Bridge. Come on, Rocky. It's got a nice little boardwalk over to the island.
And there's about 40 waterfalls that you can find throughout West Virginia. And each one that you find after 3, 10, and 20, you get special prizes.
Decided it was going to rain a little bit today.
On this weekend adventure, we found about 10 different waterfalls that we visited. We didn't get to video all of them, but there's several down here to find.
Yeah.
It's still pretty, but I think it'd be really pretty if it was like...
I don't think this is all of it, is it?
I know we have to just look at walk. We'll just get a picture of it.
Oh.
And the other waterfall is 2 miles.
2 miles. Put a lot of effort in the boardwalk.
Well, I know. It's nice.
When there's water?
It's not the best one we've seen so far.
Yeah, no kidding. Get Rocky. Yeah, not a good weekend to chase waterfalls.
Now, what is the
Come on, you two. Oh, this is the Island Route Trail. Leave your brother alone. Wait a minute. Where you going? Rocky says, holy cow, leave me alone.
I'm just trying to hide.
Come on, Rocky, let's run. Run for it.
One thing I should let you know about, once you get to the visitor center for this beautiful waterfalls, it is still a 45-minute drive to where you have to go down along the river, across the bridge, and back. So make sure you prepare and leave you enough time for the drive.
Did you do this?
No, this is up above. Sandstone Falls.
The next adventure that we found was the town of Thurman. Thurman is a part of the new River Gorge National Park. And back in the 1900s, it was a booming town. More than 75,000 people passed through this train depot. It was a place where the Chesapeake and Ohio Railroad Station mostly transported coal. But now, the population of Thurman, I believe it is less than 5. But it's definitely a cool little town to check out. We were lucky enough to see a train go by, and I want to say it was a mile long. This train depot may not be hustling like it used to back in the day, but you can still actually catch an Amtrak train at the depot.
Old rail station. Just waiting for our train. Guys, get right. What are you doing? Really? Don't you like Thurman? Oh, quack. No train today. But they said that like trains never stop coming through.
It never stopped.
No, it's just constantly. So you don't jump out there. Trail.
One of our favorite trails that we visit was the Endless Wall Trail.
Endless Wall Trail.
If you're in this area, this is a must-see if you like a good hike with great overlooks.
You excited, Roddy? We'll see some views.
We passed several hikers on this trail, but one thing we did not pass are these beautiful overlooks. And you also had some awesome views of the new River Gorge Bridge.
Pretty. Overlook 2.
Heidi's not a fan of heights, but we did get the drone out to show you what a beautiful view we had at the Endless Wall Trail.
There is this little gap that we gotta go from takeout to loop us back to our car. There's no bus, but there is a hill.
So you want to park at the top one? No, you want to park at the bottom.
Park at the first one.
First parking lot.
And I
Then
don't.
you can walk down the hill.
Then you do your endless wall trail. And then you can walk down the hill to get to your car. Instead, we are walking up the hill to get back to our car.
As we come through the cool town of Fayetteville, there's many places to eat, but one of the favorite places that we found is called the Cathedral Cafe. It's a church that was made into a restaurant where you can get different kind of sandwiches, baked goods, and upstairs they even sell merchandise. As you can see, the church steeple, that is where it's located on Court Street.
We brought you along on some hikes. We found a old railroad town and we tracked down some waterfalls. The main thing we wanted to do this weekend is track down some mountain bike trails, and that's where we're headed. We are parking at the Arrowhead Bike Farm. They have a bike shop. Make sure you come in and grab you a map for the trail system. You may want to ask them for some direction. It was a little confusing, as you will see. We got a little turned around out on the trails. They also have a small restaurant in case you get hungry out on the trail. And they also have campsites. Make sure you check them out if that's something you're interested in. You will need to cross the road over to the new River Gorge National Park and Preserve. Make sure you check out the rules and regulations. This is where you cross the road. We got a little messed up here. We was actually supposed to go down to the next road. We would have made a right there and then the next road on the left. We got turned around a little bit. We ended up over here on some other trails, but make sure you check the rules and regulations. I wasn't aware that we weren't allowed to have e-bikes on some of these trails. But make sure you do yourself a favor and check out the rules and regulations. We are allowed to have some e-bikes on some trails, but before you come, make sure you check them out.
I almost got you.
At www.nps.gov. Bicycle at New River Gorge.
Drop down in her. Getting dark.
It wasn't until this point I realized we was on the wrong trail system. The trails that were on the placard was not lining up with my map. Heidi and I just kept rolling and we was just hoping for the best. These were for sure some beautiful trails.
Down a parking lot. No, I have no idea where we are. Let's go over here and look at this map. So we have no idea where we are, but we kind of do know we are. We're underneath the new River Gorge Bridge. How we get here? I don't know. How we get back? I have no idea.
So they think I'm wondering what the...
Was it Fayette Station Trail, I think?
Yeah.
Getting old muggy. How you guys? I have no idea where we are, to be honest with you.
We came up with a bunch of steps.
Oh, well, we may be turning around.
Impressive.
No, we're not. We're lost, so we're not impressed. Not it, sweetie. No, we gotta get. Yep. Huh? Well, I mean, you committed. You said that. Well, it's.
Well, I mean, I think we both did. I don't think.
Well, I'm fine with it.
Wait, can we go that way?
No, we cannot go this way.
I mean, I know there's having yours like creativity and stuff.
Yeah, we're ditching this trail. Well, you all have fun. Should just going out this road and turn to the right. Let's just go out.
We got back out to where we went into the trail system, realized where I went wrong. Across the road is where we came in. Well, I should say across the road. You needed to come on down, make a left, and then on the right you will find the trail system. As I was saying, I didn't even realize that there were some of these trails not allowed to have e-bikes. That's what we are on. I'm not sure if this was one of the trails we were allowed to have an e-bike on, but they were some awesome trails. Make sure you check them out if you're in the area. But as I was saying, make sure you see if e-bike is allowed on the trail you are wanting to try out.
Why'd you stop for?
Did you say something about snake?
No, I didn't. I said a lot of room for mistakes. Just watch that pedal on the bank sometimes. You don't want to snag the bank and knock you over.
What an awesome day riding out on the trail with the woman that you love.
Yeah.
We were able to get back in time to get some dinner and head out for our next adventure. We are Trail Seeker Adventures. We bring the camera out on every adventure that we go out. That way you can see if it's something that you would like to take your friends and family out to. Make sure you look us up at Trail Seeker Adventures. Make sure you like and subscribe and share with your friends.
This adventure is actually Kenny and I's 12th year anniversary. So it was really cool. We didn't get to show you all the things that we did, and we definitely will come back to explore more and see what this area has to offer.
Well, that's a wrap.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got something useful out of this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.